Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Joe Token. In my previous video of Joe Token, I was showing you that after breaking out a down channel, we had a very big rally and it was moving towards the next key resistance to break it out. And right now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then it has broken out this resistance that we had here at 43.5 cents. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. And I would also like to show you this rising wedge pattern that Joe token has formed on the 4-hour time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Joe token that I shared on 15th of January 2023 with my members. And you can see when I shared this idea, Joe token was completing the final leg of a bullish bat move with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed this leg here. And then we had a very nice reversal move. And that was, by the way, more than 88% pump, almost 90% pump. And if I show you the previous idea, that was another harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern. And this pattern was getting formed with US dollar pair. And you can see when I shared this idea, it was completing the final leg of this Gartley pattern. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down and completed this leg here. And then we had a very, very nice pump. This was, by the way, more than 21% pump. Now, let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that Joe token was moving inside a very long-term down channel, and we broke it out here in the month of January 2023. Now, if I place this not the Fibonacci tool, a measurement tool from this low of January 2023 up till this high, then you can see that it has rallied more than 380%, and now it is moving towards the next resistance of 70 cents. And you can see previously this level was working as a very strong support here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And recently we have broken out this very strong and long-term resistance of 43.5 cents. You can see we got several ejections here. For several weeks or months, the price line has been rejected again and again by this resistance of 43.5 cents. And now it can work as a very strong support for the price line, a long-term support. Now, if we switch to the smaller time frame chart, then here we have a bit critical situation, because this is bearish bias pattern. That is the formation of a rising wedge pattern. You can see we have few touch points at the support and several touch points at the resistance. And despite this is a rising wedge pattern, a bearish bias pattern, but we can see that we are testing the resistance more than the support. And the more we test the resistance, the more there are chances for the breakout. Therefore, there is a probability for the breakout. Now, for example, if the price then breaks out this pattern, then the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $1.05. Now, if we take a look at this next resistance, then you can see that we have a very long-term resistance here at 70 cents. And if the price then reaches here to hit this target at $1.05, then it can also break out this very long-term resistance of 50 cents as well. And this very, very long-term rally to the upside will be continued. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.